It's like disconnect your brain when you're typing. Like, do not think about the typing part, and it's fine. But every time I get stuck on something, then I have to re-engage the brain again. But there we go, right? I mean, don't think about completing projects, right? I hope so, Neochroma, right? I did see the Alt F4 stream, which was doing Rust streaming yesterday, by the way. So it was quite fun. And he's using the same keyboard as I am, right? Well, not the same, similar model, right? And what was I going to say? So he's using the same keyboard, and he seemed quite comfortable with it, right? So there's hope, right? I use Telescope for searching text and file. Your Telescope is really nice, Key and Red. But Control P, which is an original Vim plugin called Control P, which is now
I'm exhausted. Oh, supposed to be writing the test. Yeah, I'm over here. All right. Courier cancels acceptance. So in my beach delivery customer app, there should be for the await delivery page, where am I at? Order request, UI, await delivery. It's probably going to be my view model. All right. And this would probably have, yeah, I didn't have any messages on here. Okay. This en route to drop off. Okay, here we go. Let's start adding some stuff. So state equals courier cancel. Okay. Like that. And then we can do we could probably do something like let courier canceled message top equal, and then we could say, didn't mean to do that. And then we could say, your order has been picked up. How do you want to say this? We want to say the actual name of the courier, right? Something like canceled. Say something like has canceled. Okay, and we see a V right here, right? So maybe we could do the same thing. So we say like sprintf, and then we have the, how do you want to do this? Or maybe not, because I think it's already listed there, right? Oh, that's canceled. Handling. Here's the thing, they're not canceling the order, they're just canceling their side. About has canceled, and then the bottom message can be finding looking for another courier, something like that, maybe. So we do something like that. And this en route thing, we say finding another courier. Something like that. And that's what we can put over here. Okay. For admin cancel, it's same pattern. We'll say admin cancel. And say that admin canceled. Look, EC dot. This one would be unable to fulfill order here. To fulfill order. All right, we'll do something like that. I think fulfill has, yeah, observer. I think fulfill has, how do you spell fulfill? Fulfill. Yeah, so let me see. Let admin, which one did I just do? Oh, yeah, let admin cancel message stop. This will be your order cannot be fulfilled, something like that. Sorry, your order cannot be fulfilled. And then maybe it's just this right here. Sorry, your order cannot be fulfilled. And then the next message would be something like you will not be charged. I don't know, something like that, right? But you will not be charged for you will not be charged. Or something like the transaction has been canceled. Until I can think of something better. Like the you will not be charged. Your bank card will not be charged. Something like that. But that's, I'll just say you will not be charged. Something like that, right? Okay. Um, but really we want to pop up a confirmation dialog and for them to accept. So that should really be a order canceled we're going to imagine that there's an event that's already exposed called order cancel, and we'll call it trigger. Okay. And I'm not sure if there's really any arguments that we need to pull from it. Probably not. And so we'll expose an event called order canceled, order canceled. We'll define it up here. Order canceled, like that. Control Shift B. So that should build. And then on our client for that await delivery. So we have our await delivery.xaml.cs. There should be a order canceled, which isn't showing up in IntelliSense right now. But it should be there, right? And we would be on order canceled handler, order canceled handler. Like that. This should be exposed. I don't understand why it's not. Oh, because I'm missing a D. Okay. Okay. And so then we can generate a method for this right here. Okay. And we can look at how this was coded. This right here. And what we want to do, we want to display an alert, right? In which we say the title is your order was canceled. And the message is, and then we just say order canceled. And then we can say, sorry. We were unable to fulfill your order request. Fulfill your request. And then we can say You have not been charged. You have not been charged. You will not be charged. You will not be charged. And so we can probably make this an async void. Async void. We do a bar acknowledged equals that. Okay. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, I need to add an OK button in here. Okay. So then I can say what? I could say that do I even care? Well, first of all, this is supposed to be a wait. And I shouldn't care about that. So once they do that, then I'll return them back. I need to return them back to the home page. How does that work? Navigation. It should be like a root, pop to root async, something like that. All right. That's the way it should work. In theory, that's the way it should work. We'll commit what we have right now, say added partial support for admin canceled order. Okay. Push that. And now what? If we go back to our test, creator canceled, admin canceled. I need to update my Azure portal. Should be my customer app. Why does it always default to match case? Hold up. Remove that. And look for a subscription that says customer app. Our solution. Fine. Subscription. There should be a subscription info, right? Subscription info. I don't see it. Subscription. What if I just do a search on info? No, I don't see that either. Oh, because I'm in my test project. Subscription info. Sure. Which references? Let's just say ride specification. Let's do a search on subscription info. Occurrences instead of references. I still don't see it. Still search on customer. Still search on leading double quote customer. Okay, let's do a search on Azure Topic Listener. Azure Topic Listener. I'm trying to find because this takes a subscription info, right? So theoretically, I should be able to set a references. All right, so we'll find on Azure Topic Listener, and no couriers found. I could have sworn I changed this to. I'm not sure what happened. Customer app, and then I had customer app. I could have sworn that's what I had originally. I'm not sure how it got undone. I did this yesterday. Something's not right. I added. Something's not right. Hold on. Okay, it's defined in two different areas. All right, I think we're okay. Yeah, courier canceled, admin canceled. Okay. Updated all messages. Subscription to what's it called? Customer app. Okay. Now what? Now let me stop sharing my screen. Or if I can share my screen, I just got to point to, I can't share my entire desktop. So I can look at my customer only, and then I'll go to my Azure portal. And see if I can go to my Beach Delivery service bus, and for topics, I can there should be a customer canceled on here. I don't see a customer canceled on here. Yeah, I do. Okay. So for customer cancel, there's an event log, but there should also be if I add a new subscription, I say subscription dot customer. Do I even need to set this in here? I probably don't. I'm trying to figure out if I don't think I do. Yeah, I don't think I do. Because I think all this stuff is generated. I dynamically generate these topics. If that's the case, which I think it is, then what else do we have? Well, we still got this test. Run that, make sure that our Azure storage table is cleaned up. And we can prepare to run this test called courier cancels acceptance. I know it's going to fail hard. Let me wait for the script to finish up. Which is not going to finish because I don't have all the services running. Okay, that makes sense. So I need to have these services running. Ooh, look at this. I left the breadcrumb for my delivery request service. So where's my courier service at? A courier service calls orchestration for courier cancel, in which it will update the status somewhere. I have a status update for this order. All right, so it updates the status. And then once that status is updated, it adds an entry to the courier canceled table. Go ahead and put some breakpoints on the error handlers. Once we have the successful store of a canceled courier, then what is this right here? We look for our order. And if that order so it's not right. Why are we doing this? Find entity, order entity. Oh, I know why. So this changes now. Are we looking for an order entity or are we looking for a courier canceled entity? Because this error message is not matching with this entity right here. And it looks like it's a typo. Should be a courier canceled entity. So we ensure that the courier canceled table exists right here. And then we check to see if the courier canceled, if a courier canceled entry given a request ID and a courier ID exists in that table. It shouldn't, right? A courier can only cancel one time for a specific order. They can't cancel twice for the same order, right? And so then we say, okay, we can't find an entry which is valid, which is expected. We create that entry, store it in the courier cancel table, and then I say that delivery requests and courier dispatch services should not be subscribed to this topic. Courier dispatch needs to filter out couriers that have canceled their acceptance. So then I say, let me periodically check my, nope, okay. So then I create a cancel submission. Okay. And then call this a cancel request. So I have a cancel request. I actually like the name request better. Okay. And it turns out I should probably go across the board. Call that courier cancel request as well. This would be a customer cancel request. Okay. And I don't know if cancel submission is in here. It looks like it's not. All right, so anyway, it says I create a cancel request and I then call the courier canceled function on my delivery request endpoint. Okay. All right, so if I go to my delivery request endpoint for courier canceled, that needs to I feel like I should do a couple things. I feel like there's something missing in here. We need to publish to the event log service that a courier canceled. So I feel like there's probably a couple things we can do here. So one is there should be a event store endpoint, which is not right now. Event store endpoint is going to be something. You would think that I would have something like that on here. Endpoint. That's the only endpoint I have on here. There's endpoints. Hold up. Endpoints appears to be a thing. Okay. Oh, that's the name of the file. Okay. Okay. Surely it'll be over here. Endpoint, event store, 771. Got it. Got him. Uh-oh. So we go back over here. That's my endpoint value. Okay. I don't really care about if it was, I'll just do a do, and then I'll call a sync.ignore. Async.ignore. That should be fine, right? Yeah. Is all this wrapped in the try catch block? No. Yes, it is. Okay. Do I just want to send and forget? Or do I want to know that something in here failed? Yeah, I want to know that something in there failed. So we can say, how do you want to do this? We can say match this with, and then that will be a error message, and we'll just say return error message, or it could be a okay. I don't care what the result is, and then we could push that in here. But this doesn't return a result. It returns a task that wraps around okay. So go back. So we'll have our event store spots. Okay. And we'll check to see if our event store response is a success. Then we'll do this. Else we'll return an error of a event store response error phrase. Or was it phrase? Reason phrase. Okay. And this is a delivery request response. Delivery request response. Okay. 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 That looks okay to me. So I caught the fact that we weren't logging query or cancel to our event store, where event store is this over here. Query or cancel function. This is a service bus trigger. And that's not going to work because we're using HTTP. Okay, so it's not right. Thank you. Give me a second. I have to think this out. What is this? Oh, we're good. This is a service bus trigger. Trigger canceled. Okay, so the deadline gets it. Oh my god. The deadline was going to automatically get it. And what do you want to do here? Say partial support for courier cancellation. Now, something that we do need to handle is, I forget, what is word? I'm only sharing my customer app, right? Yeah, so entire screen. I didn't realize I was only doing my customer app. Actually, kill that. There's a share my courier service, but I need to update my Azure portal with an admin cancel topic. I don't know what that was. Hold on. Topics. I need to add a topic.customer cancel. I need to have a topic.admin cancel. Admin or a topic.admin cancel. Okay. Create that. And the admin cancel is going to have a customer app as a subscriber. Customer dash app. So subscription dot customer dot app. Okay. Maybe I'll add a courier app too. Subscription. Okay. Maybe courier app. I'm not sure. I don't know if the courier app needs to have a subscription to an admin canceling it. I'll add it for right now. So if I look up cancel, customer cancel, and I look at the subscriptions for that, it's just subscription event log. But there should be also another subscription for the customer cancel called subscription courier app. Okay. All right. I'm tapping out for right now. I got my mastermind meeting in 15 minutes, so I'm going to take a break, and then I'll be on in 15 minutes with my mastermind meeting. So, see you.